truth never dies. Mountains bow, rivers sing, the echo of faith in everything. There is no God but Allah, we proclaim Muhammad, His messenger, a shining flame. Hearts united, voices raised high, under one Creator, the Most High. The moon reflects the light we see through the darkest night. The humble speak, His mercy vast, His love so near. Allah's name comes every fear. There is no God but Allah, we proclaim Muhammad's messenger, a shining flame. Hearts united, voices raised high, under one Creator, the Most High. Under the stars align, the soul takes flight, guided by Allah's eternal light. In every breath, in every prayer, His presence surrounds us everywhere. There is no God but Allah, we proclaim Muhammad's messenger,